$1 that comes in. When the people decided they want to be a part of the program, I received 1748, and I can show you how to do this very same thing. Now, a lot of people who have went past other people's offers and stuff like that, they've gotten in some serious type of scams and all kind of stuff like that, and they get kind of jaded. So you see me promoting. Like I said, I got 1,000 videos online, but it doesn't matter. You have people that come across and they say, "Oh no, that's fake." Blah blah blah. This is not fake. Okay, I'm gonna open this up, and as you can see, this is real. This comes from a real company. Okay, I just got paid 52.44. This is 100% legit. Okay, now what I want you to do to receive information from me, you're gonna need to like this video. That's number one. Okay, you're gonna need to share this video. That's number two. Number three, you're going to need to comment below, "I want in." Okay. And number four, last but not least, I need you to message me. You got to do all four things. Again, like this video, share this video, comment below that you want in. Okay. And message me. Do all four of those things and I can take care of you. I'm going to get you in this business. Like I said, it costs $1. I'm not going to lie and say, "Oh, it's free." I'm not going to show you $1,000, payments and cash and bunch of cards and stuff like that. I did a little bit of cash in the beginning to get your interest so you can come in, because that's what a lot of people want to see. But let me tell you guys, this is the real deal. You want to make real money and have a real business, a real opportunity. Now, what I do personally, I share this opportunity on social media sites. That's all you have to do nowadays. It's not hard. It's easy to promote anything. I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Very easy. This is a totally done for you system, all right? Once the comprehension is there, you'll get involved with me. We'll make money online together. Now, again, if you have problems with trust, go ahead and just simply Google my name, Michael Internet Pro, okay? Google my name, Michael Internet Pro, and you'll find 1,000 videos where I'm teaching and showing people what I do online. Thanks for listening, guys. Get started today. Talk to you later. I'm out. Hey guys, I'm looking for 100 business-minded people. This year, I really want to see people come from nothing to something. I want to see how many people can and who desire to be business owners. I just typed this word into Google in the images part where it says business owners right here. I just typed this in, and I just wanted to see what images came up. These are the images that I received. A lot of you guys, you know, you probably don't know exactly what online marketing and being in business for yourself online, what that really means. Because it's still I think there's still the traditional mentality we have when we say business owner. People don't automatically think that business owners can be just 100% online. Maybe it's a part of their business or an aspect, excuse me, but guys, it can be 100%. You can actually operate an entire business just from a simple smartphone, a laptop, or PC. Now, I typed in online business, and I wanted to see the images I got here. This just kind of stands out to me. This is what it really is about. It's like you working from the computer, and the computer is actually creating sales for you. Okay, who's listening to the sound of my voice? I'm probably going to put this video and a lot of other videos. But who listening to the sound of my voice is wanting their own online business? Basically, taking this and moving it over to, like, for example, this guy who has a coffee store, this guy who looks like some type of thrift shop or something like that, or consignments place. Who wants to take the traditional business and put it over here online? Okay. Now, virtually, we're doing everything virtually. Everything right now is done digitally. That's how you're hearing me. That's how you're seeing what you're seeing. Everything is intangible. Raise your hand. Raise your digital hand right now for me. And let me know who wants to run their own online business. Now, understand, in an online business, math is required, statistics, graphs. You're going to have to measure, analyze, and you're going to have to take time to learn and have growth and allow yourself to grow, not want to be right at the top automatically, but it takes time. You can't just push a green dollar sign button and the money is printed out for you the next day, and you run to the ATM and boom. It's going to take some learning, some required study. But if there's some people out there, which I believe there are, who want to press those buttons and learn how to market correctly using social media, learn how to have traction marketing, find people of like-minded, business thoughts, ideas, dreams, and desires. You know, I personally, Michael Internet Pro, can help you move yourself from wherever you are right now to the place of business ownership. And I have a particular system that I want you to take a look at, okay? Over the next couple months, I'm going to roll out this system, and I want every single person who's not scared, skeptical, timid, to take a look at the system and take action after they have a full look at the system. I think a lot of people are quitting too soon, jumping from video to video, not taking their time, too in a rush. Okay. Now, underneath this video, if you have any questions, comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I see your message. Okay. As soon as I see your comment. Okay. Now, ask what you will. I'll do my best to explain it. Okay. With everything that I understand, have come to know, everything I've come to learn, I'm going to explain and break down the details so that you'll have a full understanding. Okay. But when you click the link below, Michael Internet Pro, I want you to understand you're going to get a full understanding, and probably, most likely, more often than not, all of your answers are going to be found in the video below if you have any questions. And that is the reason why I want you to watch the video, because the video is going to do all the selling and telling for me. And the same way it would do it for me, the video would do it for you. Okay? Because really, online business is about duplication and replication. It's about you doing the same thing that you see done and doing it well, learning how to do it well. It's not about, like I always say, it's not about convincing people. It's about putting people in front of the convincer or the video or the product or the website. Once you get the eyeballs, enough of them on anything, there's always going to be that 1%, the like-mindedness, the people who say, you know what, that's something that I'm interested in. I want to make $1,000. I want to make $2,000 by next week. How is that possible? How can I do that? Understand this, guys, and this is probably, if you don't remember anything else from what I say, this is the most powerful medium that we're using in the entire, age of the earth, which is the World Wide Web. We are talking to, speaking to, connecting with the entire world, not just people in our neighborhood. Like this mom and pop shop type place right here, family owned business, who knows, will only touch so many lives for the people around them in their immediate area, and maybe if they're online, the world. But if they're not, it's just the immediate people or just the local. So a lot of local places want local, search engine optimization done just for the people within their surrounding area, because they're not shipping to the world, not yet. So they're staying so local, and you're limiting how much money they can bring in by being so local. So what we're doing is, me and you, when you partner with me, we're going to skip this local type business and we're going to go worldwide. So when people buy from me, or they join up with me, or they strategically place themselves and align themselves up with the business plans that I'm, part of, they can be in Zimbabwe, they can be in, Norway, England, Switzerland, Australia. It can be in Japan. It doesn't matter. And I believe, from what I've seen, almost, I think there's 200 some countries. Someone has bought from me from in every country, including Pakistan. I mean, the countries that they say, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan. I've had people buy from all parts of the world, places I never thought they would buy from, little teeny islands I never heard of. Okay, I had to look them up because I never heard of them before. People have bought from all over the world. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Click the link below, guys. Get involved today and understand that your life can change for the better. Okay, it's not going to get any worse. I'll tell you that much. It's not going to get any worse. When you join up with me, what you're going to do is find a whole new way of thinking, like a business person. Okay,
It's not about being a salesman. It's about having your own licensed business. You gotta keep that in mind. You want to have your own personal license where this business is now yours. It can be your entire future as far as creating a retirement for you. Okay. Now, again, the link is below. Micro Internet Pro, which you get started today. Check it out, guys. My name is branded. Okay. It's branded, and I'm going to show you how you can brand your name. I want you to show you how you can get your own logo. I want to show you how you can get out there worldwide where people in other countries will know about your product, your brand, your business. So I'm looking again for 100 business owners, like-minded people who want to own their own business this year. If that's you, click the link below. Get in touch with me. Comment below. Okay, let's connect, and I'm going to show you how to get this money. For once and for all, you're gonna have a super year, a different type of future. All right, the link is below. My Content Pro. I'm out.